Shiraz, and today I'm going to give you a presentation. My presentation is about let's learn something about our life. So, firstly we are going to learn try some kindness experience. So in our life we have to try these things. So let's learn about this thing. People will probably forget what you said. People will probably forget what you did, but they'll never forget what you left with them. Just like this, what are your feelings then, and what were your expectations with them? So if you did something wrong with people, then you left the imprint of your with them. Just like it is positive or negative. If you have left a positive impact or positive feelings for them, then it will be good for you. But if you did wrong things with them, then you will always leave the imprint of yours in their life. So, do you guys have any kindness experience? Can you please tell me that have you done any good thing with someone or about bad thing?
Yes, a lot of good things for both.
Good things, okay. Tell me something negative about you. Yeah, something.
With me, like sometimes I take someone positive, but that appears to be negative, and sometimes I take him negative, and that is like positive.
Yeah, this thing
Sometimes the
happens.
misunderstanding is there.
Exactly. This thing happens when we are on a positive side, but people take us as negative. If you are doing study with someone, people take it in a negative way. So it's not good to. What do you see on the screen? What is your opinion?
A white page and a dot.
Okay, dot. Anyone? Dot.
Black hole.
Black hole.
A black hole.
Okay, all done? Yeah.
Yes.
So, in life, we have a lot of positive things and negative things. But we are the people who only focus on the things which are about negativity. Just like if something bad happens with us, we only focus with that. If in a whole day, we take out the 10 minutes which are bad for us. But if whole day will be good and one bad thing happened with us, we only focus on the thing what was wrong with us. We only focus on the thing on the negativity. Just we do not focus on the things which can make us happy, which can make our life good. Okay, so this page shows us that the white part of this page is all about positivity. So we have to focus on the things which are positive and which are good for our lives. We just leave the things which are negative. Yes, we sometimes only think about the things which bring us only anxiety in our lives, right? So we just have to forget about that, and we just have to focus on the things which are going good with us, which are giving us experiences for our life, and which make us our life good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about, don't put yourself into a box. Just like we are the people who just think about the noise of expectation, just like expectations of our family, expectation of the peoples, just like our family, we belong from a family who want us to be a doctor, a lawyer, or a failure. Failure how? Because there are the opinions and expectations of our family from us to become something, that is a doctor, a lawyer, engineer. So, but we just have to focus on the things which make us happy. Which is our we just have to find out the things which make our life good, which can make us successful. And just like we just have to take us out from the box of the expectations. We just have to focus on our passion, the things which make us feel good. We just like if someone is doing a job, your job is from 9 to 5, and you have got bored from the job, but you have the rest of the time after 6 p.m. coming from your job. You can focus on the things, you can focus on your passion, you can give time to the things which make you feel good. That things also can make you successful in your life. Just like I am standing in front of you today, we can say that in our life there are some people who teach us only about positivity. They are the one who only encourages us. Today I am standing in front of all of you is because of my mother's positivity. She has made me whatever I am today. I am just like, I'm not appreciating myself, but I'm going to share this thing with all of you that now I am just like a teacher, English instructor, computer instructor. I am a professional hairstylist, makeup artist, and I can do fashion designing, graphic designing, each and everything. It's all because of my mother. She has just like she wanted me to be like. She didn't used to say to me that she used to say to me, don't sleep when you come back from the school. You have to learn something. You have to go with your brothers. What they are learning, you have to learn that thing. What I am learning, you have to come with me and learn that thing. And the things which I used to say I cannot do, she used to say, you can do it. You are the one who's made for doing this thing. So because of her positivity, I have learned each and everything. And I was not supposed to be here in medical institute. But because of her positivity, her encouragement, I am today here. I didn't give any entry test. But today I am here. It's also because of only her. Okay, what is his real name? Who already knows the name of this man? You? And anyone? Okay, that's great. So, do you know the story of his life? No?
Okay.
Yes?
Amen.
Okay, good. Firstly, let's see this clip, and after enjoying this, we will learn something about his life. Worker, he got admission in Oxford University. He was the man who couldn't easily speak something, and his looks was not as much good as all the students had. So during his days in Oxford University, he started taking interest in acting, and he get enrolled into a comedy group. So that's why he's a comedian now. But he could not perform well due to his speaking disorder. So he tried his luck with acting. Because of his tutoring, lots of TV shows rejected him. Despite all the hardships, he still believed in himself. Soon he realized that he could speak fluently whenever he plays some character. Whenever he used to play about any other character, at that time he used to speak fluently. He found that when he's saying that I found that when I played a character other than myself, the stammering disappeared. Okay, but still he kept on getting rejected because he did not have a beautiful face, heroic body, but then he proved everyone wrong. And he started his own show, Mr. Bean, which we saw now. Okay, which became a global success for him. Today, Ron Atkinson is one of the most famous British celebrities of all the time, and he has also net worth of $132 million. His story teaches us that for success, you do not need a beautiful face or heroic body. All you need is hard work and that you never give up. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to share with you is hustle or holiday. Use your weekends to not to be on Instagram. Have free time, or on weekends we are free. So we do not waste that time. We have a time to polish our skills, to do the thing which we love, to focus on our passion, or the next thing, do what you care about. It's also about your passion. Thank you so much.